Turned out quite nice, huh? So it's 4 o'clock right now. So that says Kep Beach on the right, crab market in Khoton Sai. Not even 8. Andy Chini, bye bye. So he's from Pakistan, I'm from India. I'm heading to the Vietnamese side now. Moc Bai International Border Gate. Second visit to Vietnam. It's gonna be an interesting episode now. This is what we were doing yesterday. That's me. Turned out quite nice, huh?
Really nice. Really nice. You should be proud.
Yeah, man.
You're going. What? Where are you going?
So I'm heading back to Sihanoukville, and that's the speedboat, and I'm sitting at the front. And I know it's gonna be blocked. That's the international airport, Sihanoukville. So it's 4 o'clock right now. I just got to Kampot like an hour ago, had my lunch, and now heading to Kep. Yeah, Kep. It's around 30 kilometers from here. We're gonna spend the evening around. People have been telling me everything about Cambodia. If I go to Cambodia, I need to go to Siem Reap, see the Angkor Wat, and if I don't see the Angkor Wat, that means coming to Cambodia is waste. But now that I've almost spent like a month around here, I feel like no, Angkor Wat is not the only thing that you see in Cambodia. There's a lot to see in Cambodia, not just Angkor Wat. But if you see around, this entire area falls under Kep province. Sugarcane out there. So that says Kep Beach on the right, crab market in Khoton Sai. Khoton Sai is a small island that I was supposed to go, but I met a French girl on the island, and she said it's not really clean. So I changed my plans. Just gonna head to Kep. Nice. Oh wow. Check this out. They have wind power and solar energy at the same time. We are almost there. So one side you have the mountain. Just across these boundaries you have the sea. Wow. See how everybody's lined up. Kep. I think this is a crab market. Pretty much think. Okay, so now that I've parked my bike, let's head to the market. Let's see what's there in the market. What do you get in the market? Octopus, small octopus, fish. See how this has been extended? Everything goes in the sea. You can? No? Too bright? I was just kidding. Let's see. What do we have in the market? Holy cow. This market is so packed. Crab. Cape is really famous for its crab market and seafood. Ow. So you're gonna find pretty much a lot you can eat right away. Can I? Wow, what is this?
Crab.
Yeah, okay, crab. Green.
Pepper.
Pepper?
Pepper.
Oh wow, green pepper. Nice, and how much do you sell it for?
Sure.
Like this? Jhinga, machi. Everywhere you're gonna find the same thing. See? I was there in Vietnam, in Cat Ba Island. Same thing. Something is cooking around here. Not sure. Right next to the sea. See what they're selling. Similarly, they use in Vietnam these bamboo sticks. The dry item market. What could be these? These are all dried up, I think. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna head back to my motorbike and head towards the beach. Hope you enjoyed this part of the video. So the one next to me, you see, as one of the abandoned king's villa. Yeah, that was made in early 1960s. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so that's the beach. This place really has cool vibes. Cool vibes. I pretty much don't like overly crowded places, so I try and escape and find some place nice where I can just sit and relax. This seems to be nice. I'm just gonna put the camera, try and record the last bit of the sun rays. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. In case you're watching the videos for the first time, do consider subscribing. Really late. eh? How do you expect to ride in this condition? It's like a dust storm. It's not even 8 o'clock right now. Not even 8. Nearly up to 4 hours of non-stop motorbiking and finally reached to the Vietnam embassy. I went in there, submitted my papers and came back. I was right at the nick of time. So lucky. One thing more, I realized the visa fee out here for 3 months is $60. Wherein when I got the same visa from Laos, it was $75. So $15 of savings. Thank you, Cambodia. Yeah. 48 hours and you're gonna have your visa. Like, I'm gonna have my visa, not, you understand, right? Yeah. Yeah. Need to get my tube changed. It's been twice it leaked. And yesterday, when I was trying to start the motorbike after like long days, see, this is what happened. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my bike up to date now. Because for more than 2 weeks it was just parked and I've been motorbiking since then. So it's just outside the embassy and was just vlogging on the camera and met this Pooping. So that's Pooping. He is from China and he's going to Vietnam. And
大家好
you want to say something in Chinese?
Yes, Chinese.
Chinese. So I got a new subscriber, Pooping, and he invited me for the lunch. So
Cheers.
thank you.
You're welcome.
He also wants to travel around the world, and I told him it's not really expensive. So he's following my channel. So Chinese people like him are really, really nice, except the politics, which is like screwing up the countries like China and India apart. So, Andy Chini, bye bye. Thank you. Rice.
Yes. Okay.
It's not coming out. That was the same problem I faced before. Yeah, that's what the problem was before also. I couldn't get my tubes changed. It just rolls and stays out there. Voila, he has done it. I'm living on chump change right now. A sigh of relief. I got $2 and more than 25 cents. I think that should cover. Is it okay? He accepts. Akun Charan. So it's 8:30 in the evening. The 19 backpackers where we stayed before. My visa expires here on 25th, and us then on the same day. How are you? Right. There's the bike around there. Wow. The weather is pretty nice. Finally having food. The other shop was closed. Got down here. $2 for this. That's what we're gonna have for tonight. That's what happened when you mess up with the locals. without shot. They're watching Indian serials. India? I met a Pakistani guy at my guest house. Let's see if we can talk to him. Before, when I was eating, I said I met a Pakistani guy. I want to introduce you. So he's from Pakistan, I'm from India. We gotta go to Vietnamese embassy. This brother out here is going to Vietnam, just like me. So he's gonna apply. He applied online visa, but didn't happen. So we are going at the embassy. I know the place, so I'm taking him along, and yeah, we're gonna discuss a lot on how India and Pakistan goes,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
मिल जाएगा
आज ते मेरे ख्याल में नहीं, कल मिल जू
कुछ वहाँ पर पहले इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लेना पहले
कुछ लोग पर
चलो
That's Ali Pass. That's him. So I'm trying to help him to get the visa. Kam bana nahi. So, as a Pakistani, if you are from Pakistan, some things that you have to understand. Visa regulations are all different for everybody. Like Indian passport is not really strong, German passport is really strong, German, Canadian, Singapore to say, one of the best passports you want to have. So as a Pakistani brother, he also faces the same challenges that I face in some of the countries. Like I was trying to go to Philippines, he remembered the video, couldn't go. So for him, he needs an approval letter, which you know that you can get it from some of the travel agents in Vietnam. So we're gonna talk once we reach the hostel. I'm gonna get connected him to some of the visa agents in Vietnam, and probably he can take it forward from there. It's 1937 में बना हुआ 1937 में बना हुआ ये रेलवे स्टेशन है यहाँ का, पहली बार देख रहा हूँ मैं। आ चुके हो आप? बिल्कुल दिल्ली लगता है, कई बार तो करोल बाग की मार्केट भी लगता है। करोल बाग जाओ भाई साहब, बंदे ऐसे गाड़ी चलाते हैं जैसे वो पृथ्वी मिसाइल निकाल दी हो, पर रुकेगी नहीं वो एकदम सीधा एकदम उड़ती हुई जाएगी, जहाँ पर एकदम निशाना होगा ना बस वहीं पर जाके एकदम था। अपना भी कुछ ऐसे ही हिसाब किताब है। वीआईपी गाड़ियाँ निकल रही हैं भाई यहाँ पर, पता नहीं कौन वीआईपी है। और ग्रीन प्लेट गई एक, परवाही नहीं है भाई, एकदम मेन साहब को एकदम बीचों बीच के लगा के चल रही थी। लो जी आ गया अपना। So I'm at the Phnom Penh's night market, and today is what, 21st of May, and that's pretty much the night market done. Female section, colorful leaves. I've already ordered my food, so Ali Bhai, he's waiting for me. That's wow. That's so much rice. I can never finish. खा लिया जाए। क्या बोलते हो अली भाई?
कुछ नहीं, अब खाने के बाद ही बोलेंगे क्या है, कैसा टेस्ट है।
चलो बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं।
जी इंशाल्लाह।
एक तो ये प्लास्टिक चम्मच पता नहीं कब खत्म होंगे। चिकन लुक्स बड़ी नाइस। ये क्या है? चिकन ही बोला है ना भाई?
चिकन ही बोला।
कोई नहीं, खाते हैं भाई। सब खाना खत्म हो गया है और अली भाई ने दोबारा अपने लिए फ्राइड राइस मंगाए हैं। ये इतना सा नन्हा सा पोर्शन पकड़ा देते हैं कि भैंस के यहाँ पेट ही नहीं भरता है। सो आई होप you enjoyed today's videos. If you did, like as always, do give it a thumbs up. Comment ਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਪਾਈਦਾ ਨਾ? ਕਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਪਾਈਦਾ ਨਾ?
बिल्कुल वेरी गुड।
ਕਮੈਂਟ ਥੱਲੇ ਪਾਈਦਾ। ਪਾਓ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਲਾਓ ਨੰਬਰ ਲਾਓ। So it's May 22nd, 2:15 in the afternoon, and voila! My bike is getting washed. Really needed one. थोड़ी देर में साफ हो जाएगी अली भाई। ऐसी बारिश पड़े। अभी तक मैंने इसको वॉश नहीं कराया है। कहते टिप टिप बरसा पानी में आग लगाई। कहाँ आग लगी है भाई? यहाँ तो आग बुझ रही है। भाई साहब बड़ा तेज हो गया। वियतनाम में भी जो है बारिश काफी हो रही है। तो चलिए, मौसम अच्छा है। अली भाई भी साथ में है। बात करें कुछ? अरे नहीं, हम बैठते हैं, बात करते हैं अली भाई से इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बारे में। बहुत टॉपिक है, बहुत संगीन टॉपिक है सबके लिए। दुनिया समझती है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान दुश्मन है, और वो क्यों है इसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे। क्या आवाम समझती है पाकिस्तान की, क्या आवाम एज एन पर्सनली मेरे लिए पाकिस्तान है। अली भाई कहाँ से? सियालकोट मेरे ख्याल से अगर हम 2 minutes ओके रिकॉर्डिंग। ये देखो क्या हालत हो गई है। समुंदर आ गया है और पूरा कचरा मेरी बाइक पे फंसा हुआ है। May 23rd, 2019, and I'm gonna get my visa today. I've still got a few more days to stay here, at least for a night more, and I'm here for lunch. And again, sitting at a local restaurant around here. This is what a $1.25 meal looks like. Rice and soup. Akun Charan. So this is that you get. So it's almost 3 o'clock right now, and I'm heading to the Vietnamese embassy. Gonna get my visa today, and we'll see how it goes. It's all windy today again. It just started raining. Nice bike. I hope today I'm gonna have my visa, and yeah, Vietnam calling again. What do you say? So finally reached the embassy. Just going in. So finally got my visa. 25th May 19 to 25 August 2019. I'm gonna be there soon. So again, today is May 24th, 2019. My last day in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Planning to leave Phnom Penh tonight on the motorbike. It's just gonna be like 6 hours journey. Really burning sun outside, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna be at the borders. Cross the border first thing in the morning, and we're gonna be in Vietnam again. And at the voice of the motorbike. Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be flooded soon. See the water coming out. My visa is expiring tomorrow, so I was thinking about leaving tonight so that I don't need to ride in the morning in the sun and all. I'm not sure how safe it's gonna be. I'm just gonna try my luck. I hope it doesn't rain in the night, otherwise I'm screwed. Big time. So it's 12 o'clock in the midnight. Yeah, 12:05 now, and 25th of May. I'm just leaving the hostel. That's my backpack. It's a long way. I've already seen the way. The only thing that concerns me is the safety. I'm really not sure about the safety points, if I'm taking the right decision or not. But we'll definitely find out how safe is it to ride a motorbike in Cambodia during night. So, yeah, first-hand experience. Long way. Almost 4 in the morning. I don't want to go early and just wait. So I'm just riding my motorbike real slow and just enjoying the nature around. Yeah. Tomorrow morning, today morning, we gonna be in Vietnam again. Chapter 2. It never sleeps. See that? No, nobody is around, but she's sleeping. So it's almost going to be sunrise right now. Amazing sky. I'm just going to take a quick time lapse and then we're going to head to the road. We have to cross the border soon. 10:05 right now. I'm at the Pawit border, which is going to connect Cambodia and Vietnam. I'm heading to the Vietnamese side now. No problems whatsoever with the bike. It's all easy cheesy process. Motorbike International Border Gate. Second visit to Vietnam. It's gonna be an interesting episode now. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock, May 25th, 2019. Second entry to Vietnam for 3 months.